Today, I'm going to show you how to install thermal paste and install a different heatsink. So, one of the first things you'll need to be doing, just move this out, is you'll have to start removing your old heatsink. So the first thing you'll want to do is unplug your fan from the motherboard. Next thing, you'll just take this blue tab and flip it. And make sure all the tabs on the side are pulled out. See how it can move freely now? And just gonna slightly give it a little wiggle, and it should come right off. You can see the TIM on there and the thermal paste that's on the CPU still. So next thing you want to do is you're gonna need to take some 99% isopropyl alcohol. Zoom over here so I'm not doing this. Take some 99% your isopropyl alcohol and just dab a little bit on a piece of toilet paper or towel, anything. Wait. And then you're gonna want to clean one, because even though it looks pretty clean, it's still really dirty. A little bit more with isopropyl. Keep on just changing sides of the toilet paper until you get nice clean. You're gonna want to take your heat sink and make sure it's nice and clean. This one's nice and clean for me already. And now you take your thermal paste. You're gonna unscrew the cap. There's different ways. People have, you can put the X or the dot, or you can spread it. I'm gonna just do a little dot in the middle. That's more than enough. And just to show other people other methods, I'm going to use the little spreader tool. I'll come back when it's nice and spreaded. So now that you got your thermal paste nice and spreaded, you don't have to do this. It's probably easier just to do a little glob in the middle and spread it around and have the heatsink. Since I'm putting on a nicer, little bit nicer heatsink than I had on there before, it still uses the AMD mounting brackets, as you can see. So it's gonna be really easy for me to mount. I'm just gonna drop it on. Drop it on, flush it down. Now just plug in the heatsink there, and you're good to go. I'm just gonna come back once I have it latched. So it's all done now. If you get an aftermarket one, you're gonna have to take out those little screws right there, which will hold the mounting hardware in for it. And you're also gonna have to change the back plate, which is very easy to do, and because other heat sinks are more strong or heavy, so they'll need a better back plate. And most aftermarket heat sinks will be a stack cooler, so I even have even better cooling than this one, adding the pipes. But my old one didn't have the pipes, so it was a good idea to switch to this one. So thank you guys for watching the how to install thermal paste guide and change your CPU cooler. Please subscribe. Please leave a like, rating, and subscribe. Bye.